So what else happened? Can you tell me what we're gonna do today? We did all the laundry, we cleaned everything, and now we gotta fold all the clothes. So yeah, we gotta fold all the clothes. Yours, mine, and Daddy's. And then, yeah, I know, it doesn't sound like fun. And I wanted to go to the pool today, but it's raining. So we can go find a mall that has slides and stuff in it. I think they have one here. You want to check that out? You do? You do want to go? You think that's a good idea? And then we can make lunch? Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Oh! Are you saying that something happened in the movie? Like when he said, "To infinity and beyond"? Oh. I see what you're saying. Um. I love when you talk back. We're having a good conversation. Oh? Is that so? Did you want to go maybe try and go to the normal park that's outside and we can maybe beat the rain? Outside? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can try it. We can try to go. And then if it starts raining, we'll go to the other one that's inside. Does that sound good? What you looking for? Uh-huh. Who's on your shirt? Gabe, where's the bed? Where's the bed? Is this the bed? Where's the window? That's right, there's the window. Where's the wall? Wall. Where's your back? Back. Good. Where's your neck? No, your neck. Neck. Good. Where's your knees? Knees, that's right. Where's your belly? That's right. Where's your head? Where's your head? And your hair? Hair? You know hair. Where's your ears? Ears. Eyes. Good. Eyes. Eyes. Oh, yeah? You gonna tell me more stuff? You gonna tell me more stories? What else happened? Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Sock? Gabe, what's on your hand? What is that?
Hat?
Look. What's that? What's this? Oh, what's that? What's this?
Something?
Did Mommy draw a heart on your hand? Look. Right here. See?
Bubble?
That's not a bobo. No, remember I said, I love you, and I did. Mwah. So are you going to tell me anything else that happened? You want to put those back on? Oh, look, we got to wash the sheets, too. Got to do that. Whoop. Wash those. Put those in dirty clothes.
I should sleep there.
Where you going? No! No!
Oh no.
Oh no.
Mama!
You going bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gabe. Bye-bye, Gabe.
Thanks for showing.
Okay. Bye-bye, Gabe. Where's Gabe? Gabe? Hey. Hey. What do you say? Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye, Gabe. Gabriel! Gabe, say bye-bye, Mama. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Gabriel. Where? Hello. Watch those fingers. Good job.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gabe.